Hi there, my name's Mitz and I'm going to show you how to put a signature into a Thunderbird email. Now what happens is when you open up Thunderbird it usually starts off in the inbox. Now what I want to do is press on this one, local folders. Now you can press on view settings for this account. Okay, so now all the settings come up. Now I'm just going to make them a bit smaller so I can see them. Now each of these, forum, mail.pc tip forum, etc., they're all email addresses that I've put in there, email accounts. So I'm just going to choose one just by making it blue and the details will come up for it here. Now I've already got a signature here. Now what I did is I simply ticked this box, okay, and then I pressed on choose and went and browsed for the HTML file that I've made. Okay, now there it is there, and that's what it does. It just puts it straight in there for you. Now what that'll do is attach it to any email that I'm actually writing from this address. Now it won't attach them to the other ones because I haven't put it there. Okay, so I'll quickly show you what I mean about attaching it. Now what I'm going to do is press on write. Now because I've got so many email addresses in there, I want to choose where I want to send it from. Now I'm going to send it from this one, PC Tips Forum. Okay, and there we go, there's my signature that comes up. Now that is actually a logo off one of my websites. So that's going to be attached to every email I send from there. Now if I want to send it from another one, there's no signature there because it's not attached. Okay, now this is where you choose. Right. Now I'm going to show you how I actually made that file. Now the first thing I did was I went to the internet, okay, and I actually found the logo that I wanted, which is on this website. Oh, that doesn't look very good, but anyway. So what I did to get the address of the logo, that's what I wanted. So what I did is I did a right click on there, okay, and right down the bottom there is, I'm just going to move that up a bit. Now right down the bottom there is properties. So I pressed on that, and just here it says address or URL. Now what I did is I selected it. You can do that, okay, and then right click and press copy. Now that's the address of it, so I just press OK. That's fine, and close that window. Yep. Okay, so what I did then is I opened up a notepad. So what you do is you go down to the start menu and you press on all programs and then accessories, and then you'll find notepad in there. Okay, now I've already got mine open, so I'm going to bring it over and show you. Now what it is, that URL I just copied is the actual image source. So what I've done is I've pasted it in there. See that? Okay. This part here is where the image links to. So what it's going to do is go to tipsforpc.com/index.html. Right. Now this part here is telling it that it's a link. Okay. And this part here ends the link. These parts here are telling how big the image is going to be, because if I wanted to make it smaller I could. Okay, yeah, and this part here is saying where's the image coming from. That looks like it too. It says image source. Okay. Now you can just copy this if you want to, and then just put your things in there. Of course, you might need to know a little bit of HTML, but you can start off by just copying someone else's and just putting your links in there, okay? Just in between those marks there, you just put your link in there. Right, so what I did then is I saved it, but save as, okay? And I saved it as email. I wrote this in myself, email si.html, okay? Because that changed it into a HTML file and not a text file. And then I just pressed save, okay? Now it's going to save it to the desktop on top of the other one because it's exactly the same. So it says, do you want to replace it? And I'll say yes. Okay, so I hope that helped you. So basically what I did is make that little HTML file in Notepad, and then I pointed to it, and now it shows up in my signature. Okay, I'll just show you quickly one more time. There it is. You just tick that box there and find where your HTML file is, and it will show up. Okay, thanks for watching.